For the first time in the over 40-year history of bicycle motocross racing in Western Michigan, the big show finally came to town. The USA BMX Great Lakes Nationals went down at Rock City BMX in Rockford this past weekend.
And then Burning coming back at me. Oh, yeah. Good one going on right here too, Mike.
With the recent rebuild of the track, the new Euro starting gate in place, and countless hours of work, the ever-capable Rock City crew has been preparing for the event for months. When the USA BMX Big Rig rolled in late last week, the stage was set. Perfect Michigan weather and ample turnout from around the Midwest made for the first ever national-level BMX event one for the books. Whether it was the weekend warriors dusting off their bikes to check out the action, newer riders getting a taste of national competition for the first time, or seasoned vets of all ages digging in for the year-end points chase, the Great Lakes National had something for every fan of BMX racing.
4 bikes. They're both moving on.
With the pro staff of USA BMX running the program, the nearly 140 motos went off smoothly, with non-stop action on the track all day. We celebrate BMX in the Great Lakes State, and this event confirmed that the good times are rolling at Rock City BMX.